How to enable hidden touchpad on iPhone keyboard. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's iPhone typing trick, we have enabling of our hidden touchpad. So to do this, all you have to do is you're going to go into your iPhone keyboard. You can open this up anywhere. And once you do, you're going to tap and hold the spacebar on your iPhone's keyboard. Now, once you do, you can turn it into a touchpad, allowing you precise cursor movements for editing your text. So you guys can see this is how it's working like a touchpad. Now, if you have lengthy notes or if you're writing something, then this can be super useful and it can be really easy for you to read books, browse mail, and easily be able to use your touchpad. So if I'm writing anything anywhere, so whatever long text I may have, I can hold my space bar and then I have this really nice touchpad and I can accurately place my cursor wherever I want it very quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.